Hello students, welcome back to Digital Media Production. Today I'm on a Chromebook because I wanted to show you the difference between the Chromebook and the traditional Windows computer in terms of how to get your photos onto Pixlr. So here I am in Google Classroom and I'm going to go into the week 5 assignment. You are going to be required to download some photos and edit them this week. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this image here called Gold. And now I want to download this. In order for me to download it on the Chromebook, I'm going to right click here. I'm going to click on this 3-dot menu and say open it in a new window. Once it opens in a new window, this icon should show up that will allow me to download it. So I'm going to go ahead and download that photo. Okay, and now this photo is now physically on my Chromebook. It's not in my Google Drive right now. It's on my Chromebook. That's a big difference. So now in order for me to load it into Pixlr for editing, I'm going to go to pixlr.com. Now up here, this is where I can log in. I'm already logged in. If you're not, go ahead and click here and say that you want to log in. And then the editor that we are going to be using is Pixlr E. So I'm going to click on that, which brings me to my main screen. So I can just go here to open image, and it's going to open the file dialog for me. Now, when I download a file on my Chromebook, it is located right here in the Downloads folder. So if I click on Downloads, we'll see there's Gold right there, and I can just double click that. And now here it is, it's open for me to edit. Now, while we're at it, let me back up. The nice thing about Chromebooks is that they're easily attached to your Google Drive. So if I say open image, within a Chromebook, I have my Google Drive options here. So I can click here and I can now navigate my Google Drive. And here are my week 2 photos from Google Drive, my week 2 favorites. Oh, I didn't load anything into there yet. So I will just load up this picture here. Okay, I'm going to say that I want the original because I want all the pixels. It's up to you how you want to do it. And I get this beautiful picture of the KFC sign, and we can go ahead and edit it from here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and switch back over to my Windows computer so you can see how that's done on that side. Okay, so now I'm back on my Windows computer and I'm going to repeat the same process. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll do a different file this time, I'll call it tree. So again, I'll click on it, go to the menu, open it in a new window, and then I'm going to download it. Okay, so I see this here, and now if I go to Pixlr, I can now log in, and I'm going to click on Pixlr E, and then I'm going to open an image. Now on my Windows computer, this is a little bit more complicated, but here's my downloads folder, and where your files are located on your computer might be a little bit different, but mine goes to my downloads folder, so I can go here or I can find it here. But you're going to want to check to see where your files are. Also on a Windows computer, you see down here in the lower left corner, here's the file that I downloaded. So if I click this arrow, I'm going to cancel this real quick. If I click this arrow, I can say show in folder, and that will bring up this window that shows me the folder that it's in, so I can see that it's in my downloads folder. So again, I'm going to say open image. It's in my downloads, and here's the file that I opened. Okay, so now I'm in the editing screen and I'm ready to edit this. So I'm going to go back one and I want to show how to get a file from my Google Drive into Pixlr on a Windows computer. So here I am in my Google Drive, and I like this photo. So this is one that I want to download, and I see right here I have the download icon, so I'm going to download it again. And then this is going straight to that same downloads folder. So if I say open the image, there's the photo that I was looking for. It's in the downloads folder, and I can say open, and it's asking me what resolution I want to open it in. I'm going to say go ahead and give me the original. And there it is, and I'm ready to edit.